a journal cover. This is just out of cereal box. And so I've got my two sides, my front and back cover and my spine. And these are 9 inches by 6 inches. Let me double check. Yeah, you got 6 by 9, and then this is 9 inches by 1.5 inches. So I've chosen these fabrics. I'm gonna show you real quick and then cut these down. This is going to be the outside and this is going to be the inside. So let me get these cut, and since I've got 9 by 6 here, I've got 6, 12, 13 and a half, and then I want to do about 1/4 inch in between, so 14. And then I'm going to glue these together and stitch around the outside. So I think I'm going to go about 15 inches long by 10 inches. So that'll give me an extra inch all the way around. Be right back. And then these will fit here and I'll have just enough room to stitch. I'll tell you what, when you do this, you might want to give yourself even 1.5 inches extra. This is a little tighter than I wanted. Okay, but it's pretty good. So I'm going to do this as my inside cover so I can actually get away with it, and then I will cut this one just a smidge bigger. So I went ahead and did a few of these journal covers, and this one came out. I really like how it came out. So that'll be the outside and this is the inside. And I just zigzag stitched all the way around. And then I came in and did 2 straight stitches right in the middle. Remember how we left that little space in between the cardboard on the inside? So that's how that one looks. And then I went ahead and just snipped off all the excess fabric, and I'm just going to leave it and let it fray and let it do what it's going to do. And then I've got to decorate all these. I may do a video decorating these. I probably will. If you really want that, please comment below. And I really love to hear from you guys, so feel free to leave me a comment. I love to hear some feedback from you. And let me show you the rest of these real quick. Here's that one. I got this fabric at Joann's. I got most of this fabric at Joann's, by the way. This is this is actually a cotton in the quilting cotton section, and a lot of these were fabric quarters. This is actually an upholstery fabric, so it's on the big rolls in the back, and I really like this fabric. It's so beautiful. And then this is tie-dyed fabric that I dyed either last summer or the summer before that. So I have a bunch of that laying around. And then I switched and did some of these. I did a zigzag stitch down the middle too. So you want to make sure to not glue that part to save your sewing machine. Now these have not been trimmed yet. I just wanted to show you. This is a fabric quarter. And then this is some more, I got this was like upholstery fabric as well at Joann's, and I tried to buy more of this and couldn't find it. So I hope you can get lucky if you like this and find it there. And this comes in the gray. I've seen it in this gray and black shade and this blue shade, and I think it comes in a yellow and brownish type shade. They're all beautiful, this pattern. Here's another. This is some more cotton fabric here from Joann's. It's all from Joann's. And then I just did the inside a little different. This was a fabric quarter here. Those fabric quarters work really great for your journals. And then again, that same pattern. And then another fabric quarter. Quick tip on these, if you want pockets on your inner covers or on your front or back, I highly recommend sewing them on. Just measure your front where your stitch lines are going to end up, and then sew it on before you glue this to your base. And remember, I've just got cereal boxes in here, so I did not do that to any of these. I just wanted to make a batch like this and see how this style turned out for me. So the next batch I do like this, I will definitely be adding pockets. Okay, thanks for coming and checking out these journal covers today. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and click the bell notification, and then you won't miss a thing. Thanks again and have a great day.